Your air compressor's idler pulley sets the proper tension to the drive belt. The idler pulley consists of an eccentric mount, a ball bearing, the pulley, and a new mounting screw. Over time, the pulley's ball bearing will wear and fail. It will often give warning with a squeaking or a squealing sound. If left unchecked, the bearing can seize or fall apart. Replacing the idler pulley assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before making any repairs on your air compressor, be sure to unplug the cord and drain the air from the tank. I'll begin by removing the top cover from the compressor. Now remove the manifold from the top cover. Now remove the front motor cover. It's secured with one screw on the front side. Once the screws are removed, I'll use a screwdriver to release the plastic tabs. Now I have access to the idler pulley, and I can go ahead and remove it. Now I can install the new idler pulley. I'll place the belt around it, align it with the frame, and secure it with the bolt that came in the kit. Now I need to tension the belt. To do that, I'll use a belt tensioning gauge. You can pick one of these up at any automotive store. The belt will be tightened to between 60 and 80 pounds. I place a 5/8" wrench on the eccentric on the idler pulley. And then I'll tighten the belt and test the tension with the gauge. That's just a little loose. And that reads just over 60 pounds, so that will work. Now I'll tighten the bolt on the idler pulley to between 84 and 120 inch-pounds. Now I'll reinstall the front motor cover. I snap the plastic tabs back into place. And secure it with the screws. Now I'll reinstall the wheel. Now I'll reinstall the cover and the manifold. I'll align the cover with the frame and secure it with the screws. Now I'll realign the manifold with the cover and secure it. And that's all it takes to replace the idler puller assembly in your air compressor. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.